Hello students and welcome back to Online Music with me, Mr. Yava at 4Gs. So this week we were working on a song game that was kind of challenging, and we learned to sing it and how to do the basic movements last time. This time we're going to learn the rest of how to do the actual challenge movements with the song. But since we learned the song, let's refresh our memory on it and warm up a little bit for some singing. My turn, your turn. Ah. Yep, remember, lots of air, light and easy. That's the best singing for us. How about yoo-hoo? Or yummy? We did some patterns with our warm-up last time. Let's do a few more of those. My turn, your turn. High, high, low, low, low. Low, low, high, low, low, high. High, higher, high. Higher, high, low, low, low. Now we had names for these patterns too. For our high sound we called it so, and this is the hand sign. You can show it with one hand or two. I prefer two most of the time. So show me so. And our lower sound was me, me. That one's just a flat hand, one or two. Our highest sound was la. That was our higher sound. Let's use some names to do some of the patterns. So, me, so, me. So, 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 me, so. So, la, so, so, so. Mi, so, la, la, la. La, so, la, mi. That was kind of tricky. Try that one again. La, so, la, mi. And my favorite silly one. So, la, mi, yum. Okay, we didn't talk about it last time, but our song Plainsies, Clapsies actually uses those sounds. So, la, and mi, those three sounds. So, to refresh our memories, let's do it little by little. My turn, your turn, with the actions. Here we go. Plainsies, Clapsies. Twirl around and backsies. Right hand, left hand. Toss it high, toss it low. Touch your knee, touch your toe. Touch your heel and through you go. Okay, as we said, all of our song is telling us the instructions for how to toss our beanbag each time during this song. So let's learn it step by step. The first two are fairly simple. The first one is Plainsies. So that one's just going to be a plain toss. Plainsies. Try it. Plainsies. But then it says Clapsies, which means we're going to clap after we've tossed it, but before we catch it. You have to sneak your clap in really fast, like this. Clapsies. See how I did that? See if you can toss, clap in between, and catch your beanbag. Here we go. Clapsies. I almost didn't catch my beanbag that time. Let's practice those two together. Plainsies, then Clapsies. My turn, your turn. Plainsies, Clapsies, go. I hope you're singing along as you practice, just to keep yourself on task with what you're supposed to be doing with the beanbag. Okay, the next two are twirl around and backsies. So in between these two tosses, we're going to twirl our arms once or twice and then touch our back. My turn, your turn. Twirl around. Try that one. twirl around. Were you able to twirl your hands once or twice and catch it? And backsies. Try that. And backsies. Let's put those two together. Twirl around and backsies. My turn. Twirl around and backsies. You try. Twirl around and backsies. Okay, do you think we can put the first four together? It's going to be a little tricky to do in order, but we've got Plainsies, Clapsies, twirl around, and backsies. Not too fast. Give yourself nice big tosses, but don't throw fast because then it'll get out of control. Here we go. Ready, sing along. Plainsies, Clapsies, twirl around and backsies. How do you do? If you need a little more time, pause the video and practice on your own. The next chunk of the song goes like this. Right hand, left hand, toss it high, toss it low. So we're going to do those with our beanbag. On right hand, just toss with your right hand, but you can still catch with two hands, like this. Right hand, and then left hand. Left hand. Try that. Can you toss in control with one hand and catch with two? Right hand first, then left hand. Here we go. Right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand. Get good at that part, and then we can add the next. Toss it high, toss it low. Well, that one's just like it sounds. We don't have to do anything fancy. We just have to toss our beanbag a little bit higher and then a little bit lower. Toss it high, toss it low. Just a little toss. You try. Toss it high, toss it low. Let's back up and do right hand, left hand, high, and low all in one chunk. Can you sing along with me? Starting with right hand. Ready, go. Right hand, left hand, toss it high, toss it low. So far, we've done Plainsies, Clapsies, twirl around and backsies, and then right hand, left hand, toss it high, toss it low. Let's see if we can put those all together. We've got 8 total so far. Getting complicated. Sing along as we go. See if you can remember what's coming before you get there. Ready, go. Plainsies, Clapsies, twirl around and backsies. Right hand, left hand, toss it high, toss it low. How'd you do? Again, if you need some more practice, pause the video and do some practice on your own. Okay, here's where things get a little bit tricky now because we're going to start to use our legs as well as our hands. So in between our tosses, we're going to have to touch something on our leg and then catch again. You might have to look away from your beanbag very quickly, but I don't recommend it. The first one goes like this. Touch your knee. Can you do that? Touch your knee. I just touched my knee and put my leg back down for balance. Try again. Touch your knee. Go ahead. And then touch your toe. See if you can bring your toe to your hand without having to look at them. Touch your toe. You try. Touch your toe. Try again. Touch your toe. Let's try knee and then toe without stopping. Are you ready? Ready, sing. Touch your knee, touch your toe. Then it's touch our heel. So let's practice that. Touch your heel. Try again. Touch your heel. And the last one says what? And through you go. just for fun, see if you can lift your leg up, give it a toss, and catch it on the other side like this. And through you go. I had to toss it kind of up to be able to catch it. Otherwise, it would go flying over there by the whiteboard, and that's not what we want to happen. See if you can practice tossing up under your leg. And through you go. This is probably the trickiest one, but good news, it's the last one. So after that, you're done with the whole pattern. Let's back up to knee, toe, then heel, and through we go. Let's try all of those in a row. Good luck. Ready, sing along. Touch your knee, touch your toe, touch your heel, and through you go.